Grabe, sabay-sabay nag-upload ang tatlong natitirang teams ng MPL Philippines Season 16 na hindi pa nakakapag-upload. Unahin natin ng Team Falcons PH. You know what time it is. Hands in. Again, just like what I told you guys before, Team Falcons is the kind of team na hindi talaga sila magbabago as much compared to the other teams na siguro nagpapalit sila ng around 2 to 3 players or major overhaul talaga. For Team Falcons naman kasi parang itong roster na to has proven so much. 'Di ba ngayong second half nga makikita natin sila na magre-represent ulit para sa IASF World Championship. And I think ever since season 10, this team, this roster has made it to top 4. Isipin nyo guys, season 10 hanggang season 15 ginagawa nila yon. They've managed to get the MPL trophy once, the M World Championship once, at marami pa silang pinanalo kaya nga nagkaroon ng World Tour, 'di ba? And they've also added itong si Ferds, which is a very solid XP laner na nanggaling sa RRQ Kaito. I'm just wondering if Ferds is gonna have playing time at all, or yung role niya ba ay magiging similar kay Pandora. Kasi syempre bilang isa sa mga bagong manlalaro sa MPL Philippines, you'd want to at least have some experience sa iyong pinakaunang season. But given na itong 5 mga manlalarong ito, solid na talaga yung samahan, solid na yung chemistry. They've been with each other for at least years now. How will Ferds merge in? And for Team Falcons, it's probably about breaking out of their own shell. Parang lagi naman silang malakas. Lagi silang top 3, top 4. Pero sa darating na Season 16, can they make it their third M Series appearance?